Here we have a VIP because apparently they're so special they can park on the school keep clear zigzags. Now we're not watching this white van behind, but we're watching the one which appears in lane 1. This one right here. They're in lane 1, but they want to take the 3rd exit. Who turns right on a roundabout from lane 1? Not happy with that. They then also don't even bother with the mini roundabout. I wonder why this is happening. This is why. Oh, he was on his phone. That's why. And, yep, distracted by his phone. He then gets really impatient here. Just flapping his hands around when we're trying to get through school traffic. And then he goes back to his phone again. Obviously, still distracted by the phone, they end up lagging quite a bit behind. And then they get pulled out on here quite badly. I wonder what his hand gestures are now. Here's the usual school antics. People parked where they shouldn't be, pushing themselves through gaps where they really shouldn't do, and just not waiting for people to clear.
Why? That's quite comfortable driving.
Here we have a BMW living up to their reputation. This one here, nothing too bad about what they're doing at the moment. They're just using all the space, which they're perfectly allowed to do. However, it's the reaction of the driver which is the problem. See, this is a merge and turn. What's going on in front is everyone is merging between them, like a usual zip merge, and they're actually doing it correctly. However, this BMW, who's at no point ahead of us, seems to think that they should be ahead of us now, because they are not letting us in at all. Really making it difficult, and then having a bit of a shake of the head at having to let us actually merge. They're obviously not happy about letting us merge, so what they do is they use the wrong lane here. They go into lane 1, but they don't want lane 1, you see. So they're getting into the wrong lane of the roundabout, which you'll see from the front footage in a second. So there they are, they've just creeped ahead of us in lane 1, even though we're just creeping up a little bit more, and the lights change. So this lane here goes to lane 2 and 3 on a roundabout. Lane 1 is either off to the left or lane 1. And there they are. They just cut across us, which stops the car in front using the correct lane, and then to top it off, they try and brake check us to make us stop in the yellow box for absolutely no reason at all. I don't understand the impatience of people sometimes. Although this car is going slowly, 10 miles an hour or so below the speed limit, because I am running right at the next roundabout, which is not very far away, I'm just patient and sit behind. The car behind here decides to undertake, even though you can see in front that there isn't a gap to complete it. Doesn't faze them, they squeeze through.
19 towards southbound. At the roundabout, take the center.
Oh, so you do know how to indicate. Okay, now there's a fucking crossing right there. If people fucking indicated, it would be nice.
Well, they just don't indicate in Basildon. Or they just want to pull out in front of you. And not speed up at all. That one on the roundabout still works, dude.
If you pull out like that, you gotta speed up.
Yeah. Got to at least show that you're trying. No, didn't they go in the lane?
Oh, was I supposed to go off then? Oops. I was confused because it was so open. The taxi behind, though, seems to ignore these big arrows, because you're not supposed to turn left from that lane. Doesn't stop them from doing it though. This roundabout is not that hard to work out. If you want to turn right onto the A127, you don't do it from the left lane, which then becomes 2 lanes. You do it from the right lane. This Mini can't work it out. They get it completely wrong. They should have been in that third or second lane, which becomes the third lane, and then move to the second lane for that mover. However, the car behind, this white car, does it even worse. They go lane 1 and then somehow move over. Again, where are they going? Yep, they're going right onto the A127. This person in front makes a bit of a strange move. They go to overtake this learner, decide against it, and then just tailgate the learner instead. Makes sense. Here's another one who can't do this roundabout. Watch the red car do it correctly, but the van behind the red car, no. They can't do it correctly. The red car moves to lane 1, the van stays in lane 2, to then go right. I don't know if this learner is on test or whether it's the instructor, but they also get it wrong, which is quite bad. And then we almost get tagged by this car, who decides to change lanes on us when we're literally next to them.